Moon face is one of the most common side effects of PCOS and thyroid issues, and I want to show you guys everything I did that helped me reduce inflammation and lower the swelling. The first thing I took out was high intensity exercises. I wanted to reduce cortisol as much as I could. I got an infrared sauna mat because it was more affordable than going to a spa every time. Prioritizing sleep and recovery is very important for also letting your body heal and reduce inflammation. Then cutting out caffeine or switching to a more gentle form of caffeine has been a very big help. Then when it comes to diet, I keep it strictly to eating whole foods. I don't want any processed food, nothing that comes out of a bag, no junk food. Just keep it clean because your body needs it right now. And I stimulate my lymphatic system. This could be gua sha, it could be a manual massage, it could be a dry brush. Also, making sure that you're hydrated is very important because sometimes you retain a lot of water because you're actually dehydrated. Speak to your doctor about trying out natural diuretics like hibiscus tea, like dandelion, and of course, one of my favorite things for lowering inflammation is turmeric. And that's all, guys. I really hope this helps.